You search for how to buy shares of Delek Logistics Partners LP, so here is a concise walkthrough. Delek Logistics Partners LP is a midstream energy logistics company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DKL, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DKL to locate the listing. Confirm the result refers to Delek Logistics Partners LP to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review key company details and view the price chart. Check that the page displays Delek Logistics Partners LP and the DKL ticker to confirm it is the right security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the eToro link and additional resources, see the description below.